We are back with you.
Welcome, everybody. The changes in the world, folks, we all can see. It's mind blowing. It's like, what the? We never know what's next. This is precisely why Katarina and I created this New Year's workshop that is mind blowing to counter the mind blowing world that we're living in. How so? Here's how so. This workshop's going to give you a blueprint, a foundation for you to create your own unique pathway to the brilliant you that you came in with, that you are. The brilliance, the unique brilliance. Just like there's no two snowflakes, no two trees, there's no one in the world like you that has the gifts that you have been given. Those gifts want to pop out. They want expression.
So from January 1st to 4th, every single day, we will be live in this workshop for 60 to 90 minutes.
It's crucial that you go to the dollar store, get a spiral notebook, and we will be asking questions. And in the workshop, we'll be using our workbooks a lot. In a major way, we're all the same. We all have the same needs. But what intrigues me is you coming into the workshop and seeing how different we all manifest.
Can you imagine what wonderful things will unfold at the beginning of our year? It's going to set us on a very powerful path.
Katarina, we haven't even mentioned that the 4-day is just the intro because we will support you the whole year long. And it's free. And what it really is priceless. This isn't like a New Year's resolution, which we all make with the greatest of intentions.
Yeah.
And in 2 weeks, life is just taken over, and I can't even remember what it was.
Yes.
We'll hold you all the way through. So excited, Katarina, to be working with you, dear. There are no words.
There are no words. We are enjoying every moment of creating this wonderful workshop with you. We love you all and can't wait to serve you. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.